3rd January 2025. Open your eye first. Now we just develop mindfulness of bodily movement, hand movement first, because I will show you something. Okay? Your eye seeing me, but can you observe hand movement? Not by eye, by mindfulness. Can you observe? Now move your hand now. Move your hand. When you observe hand movement, can you see what happened to your mind? Your mind more observe, more mindfulness. Your mind got calmness. Okay? And how about observe hand movement and it got stop or not? Can you notice stop? Observe hand movement and notice stop in between movement, it got stop. Movement and stop. Can you notice stop? Observe hand movement and notice stop. What difference? Can you see your mind? What difference? What happening? When you observe only, observe and not notice stop, you still got a bit thought, got calmness and some thought. Okay? But when you observe hand movement and notice stop, your mind stop thinking completely. Okay? Notice more stop, more stop, more stop, more stop, more stop. Your mind free from thought, emptying of thoughts completely. That's right. So that's why learn by yourself from the knower. What happened to the knower? If you knower, first mindfulness observe. Okay, it got calmness, but a bit thought. Okay, and if the knower observe hand movement and notice stop, 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 you get no thought. You get into access into consciousness. Stop, stop, more consciousness. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Okay? So that's why people only now walking. Just watch your step. But if you watch and notice, it got step up and touching on Mother Earth. Can you notice when you're walking, you got touching on Mother Earth or not? Can you notice touching, touching, touching? You get more consciousness, wake up. Okay? And also, can you just awareness of body first? When you got awareness of the whole body and awareness of body more and more sitting on Mother Earth. Can you feel yourself sitting on Mother Earth? First, you do concentration on breathing, but you lose awareness of your sitting on Mother Earth. Then the Buddha just tell monk, now you are in the forest. Can you see tree and forest in front of you? Yeah, you get calmness. But monk, tree and forest stay on earth or not? And how about you? You sitting on earth or not? Monk, when you see tree and forest, this is the present moment what you see. But more awareness of the present moment of yourself sitting on Mother Earth. Then your mind will be more expanding, more space and more expanding. So now don't do anything. You got mindfulness, see the present moment, okay? But what you forgot? You forgot awareness of your sitting, relaxing on Mother Earth. Can you feel you are sitting on Mother Earth together? you got absorbed into calmness, and you got your breathing long and deep automatically. You too much concentration on breathing, and you not awareness of this body sitting, relaxing, and especially sitting on Mother Earth. Then you only focus your breathing not long, because you lose awareness of how you sitting. You sitting on Mother Earth, but you lose awareness of Mother Earth. So you need to develop concentration, mindfulness, awareness of the whole gravity on Mother Earth. Then your breathing become long and deep. Okay? Because when you sit grounding on Mother Earth, your breathing go into space and consciousness. Okay? You understand now? So now open eye first. Because every time you close your eye, you do wrong concentration because your head go down. When your head go down, you lose awareness of sitting on Mother Earth. Then you make big mistake from the starting. So you need to develop concentration and mindfulness, awareness of yourself, sit, relax, and fully conscious on Mother Earth. This is how to sit mindfully. This session, just follow the Buddha teaching. Sit mindfully first. Sit mindfully, that means full awareness of your sitting on Mother Earth. Sit mindfully. Then you got mindfulness. Sit mindfully with awareness of your sitting connect to Mother Earth. Sit firmly on cushion, on the floor, and connect to Mother Earth. It brings you absorption, deep calmness. Okay? When you got sit mindfully, that means you got more awareness of the whole body with awareness of gravity go on earth. With your gravity on earth, it will bring your breathing long and deep to space and consciousness. Okay? But you in a hurry, you focus your breathing. Before focus your breathing, awareness of your body first. Okay? Mindfulness of your body first. Okay, we start from the grounding. I just correct your grounding when you're sitting. What you know now? You know sitting or not? You don't know sitting, you try to know breathing. You must know sitting first. Okay? Step by step. How you know sitting? Relax. And more relax. More relax, you got more feeling yourself. More relax, feeling yourself, more space and more consciousness. Consciousness of first pillar. Consciousness, mindfulness of the first pillar, that is sitting first. Okay? When you got mindfulness, awareness, consciousness of this body sitting on Mother Earth with upright. When you connect, sit grounding on Mother Earth, your body will go up. Okay? Okay, your body will go up. And then when you sit mindfully, you got more consciousness on your sitting. Then you get more consciousness and mindfulness on your breathing. So we follow now. We learn from many masters, but many masters tell you concentration this way. But the Buddha used the word mindfulness of breathing. Now sit mindfully first, because we not learn how to focus the breathing, not learn how to focus the breath. We learn how to breathe mindfully. When you learn how to breathe mindfully, the outcome is more mindfulness. We develop mindfulness. Okay? Now, sit mindfully first until you get more mindfulness and consciousness of this body into 4 elements. When you sit mindfully, you know this body not you. Sit mindfully, you know this only 4 elements. Can you feel 4 elements of the whole body? This is mindfully and consciously. Okay? You get calmness already. Very good calmness. Because the Buddha tells us to develop mindfulness of body and body in the body. Body first sitting and body in the body is 4 elements and all the functioning, vital sign, energy, light energy. When you sit fine, mindfully not do anything, just aware of body as 4 elements, and it got warm, got cool, got sweat. When you are able to know body in the body, you got absorbed in deep calmness already. People don't know, they only focus breathing in and out. This is not body in the body. Okay? Breathing in, breathing out, this is only basic meditation. Okay? But when you sit firmly, consciously, what you know? You know the reality of this body in 4 elements. This is more advanced already. Okay? That's why today I let you start from 10, 20, 30. If you do method, you start from 1, 2, 3. Master, I focus my breathing, my breath here, my breath here, breath here. No. That is only method. Okay? You get grounding on Mother Earth and sit mindfully. You get calmness from the starting. That's right. Because more mindfulness consciously on your sitting, grounding, then it becomes your body open up to 4 elements. Wow! Everywhere of your body is 4 elements. You got vipassana already. Okay? Sit mindfully, then you got conscious and mindfulness of body into 4 elements. But breathe mindfully. Breathe mindfully. Now open eye first. Close your eye. You cannot turn inwards. Open eye. Because sit mindfully, make sure you got more consciousness on your body and more consciousness on your eye. Your eye got consciousness or not? Otherwise, when your eye not conscious, sit mindfully, your eye burr, you close your eye, then you fall asleep. Okay? So at least there are 6 consciousness. Wake up, 3 consciousness or 2 consciousness. Sit mindfully, you wake up body consciousness. Open your eye widely, you wake up eye consciousness. And mind consciousness. Breathe mindfully. When you breathe mindfully, by sit mindfully, when you sit mindfully, you grounded on Mother Earth. When you grounded on Mother Earth, then you breathe mindfully, you are breathing long and deep into your spirit, clear and clean, all desire, anger, gone away. That's why the Buddha said, mindfulness of breathing, if your mind is disturbed or hard or got difficulty with mindfulness of breathing, your mind not disturbed, not hard, no difficulty. Okay? You understand? So that's why now you got difficulty, a lot of difficulty, because you not practice mindfulness of breathing. You only practice concentration of breathing. You got a lot of difficulty. Okay? Because this is not Buddhist meditation. This is Hindu meditation. Concentration of breathing until your mind go to go to the universe, and then you see God, okay? But mindfulness of being eternal world. You might see yourself, see this body into four elements, see this body got five aggregate, see anicca, see non-self. It's totally different. Okay? You want to become a psychic power, you do concentration of breathing. Then you might go out more. It becomes the light here. And then concentration of breathing, you might go out, it becomes image here. And more concentration of breathing, it more universe here. And it all what you see is illusion. It's from your thought, okay? It's from your reading. You're reading a lot of meditation. Meditation must like that, like this, like that. When you do concentration, it comes from your perception in thought, your conceptual thought, building or image. That's why do concentration on breathing, you might go out to the object. To the object in the beginning, that's okay, still good, because object is still on your body. But when you more concentration on breathing, you might become more image, more illusion. We call illusion. What you see, somebody you see waterfall, see the mountain, see the nebula, see the rainbow. All this is illusion. Okay? Because it comes from your mind. You always love live music. When your mind calm, then live music will maybe the north in Norway. What you go when you go to see Norway, you go to see the north light, north light. That's right. You fall in love with the north light. You do concentration, the north light come. Okay, you understand? You fall in love with garden, you do meditation, the garden come. This is wrong. Okay, because more you see outside, you lose consciousness of yourself. First, no problem. But more you lost, then now you got more seeing, more not only the knowledge, see the universe, see everything outside, but not see yourself. Then your mind go out. Okay, when you guys go out, then you got a lot of self in the practice. Okay, but if you just sit grounding, not concentration first, mindfulness first, because the Buddha tell you mindfulness of breathing, mindfulness of body first. Sit mindfully, bring your mind back, mindfulness on your breathing, on your body, and breathe mindfully. Mindfulness first. When you got mindfulness, then the way you concentrate on your breathing is not from your eye, it's from notice is concentration inwards. Okay? Normally you concentration outwards, you lost. Then you got a lot of image. Okay? Then maybe more lost, then you feel like you got God tell you do that, do this, you lost. Because you send your mind out. Okay? You hearing voice, something tell you do that, do this, that is illusion. Okay? Because when you got mindfulness of breathing, it only calm and calmness, more calmness, not see any other thing outside, but see your desire arising, disappearing, anger arising, disappearing, thought arising, disappearing. Okay? In this way we call vipassana. So then sit mindfully first. When sit mindfully, you got mindfulness and awareness. Relax more, you got awareness. Then can you see by awareness, see yourself. See yourself warm, cool, sweat, okay? Or relax and more relax. Can you see this thing? Okay? See yourself into four elements and space. Then it becomes nothingness. Okay? Only space. But in space, not lost. Just consciousness on your breathing. That's why when you see yourself mindfully, you don't do anything. What you're doing now, only breathing in. The Buddha said, knowing clearly. Breathing out, knowing clearly. We develop knowing clearly from mindfulness and awareness in your heart. Okay? And when you got knowing clearly, you can realize how good mindfulness. When you got good mindfulness, you got know the knower together with knowing the breathing. If you do concentration only, you know the breathing but not know the knower. Okay? But now, breathing in mindfully, you know the knower and know the breathing together. More knowing the knower, then you develop the knower, more consciousness, more mindfulness, and more wisdom. You know only the breathing in, breathing out, you can get calmness, but no wisdom. Okay? Now, open eye, because if you close your eye, you still get used to do concentration on the object, but not know the knower. That's why you need to correct now. Okay? Open eye, just breathing in mindfully. That is breathing in, knowing mindfully how you are breathing in long. Breathing in long, then it's more consciousness. And if you just sit grounding on Mother Earth, you're breathing deeper and longer, and you got joy and happiness wake up. Okay? Breathing out long, mindfulness, knowing clearly, breathing out long. When you knowing clearly, then you got more mindfulness. More mindfulness, it look like you got the knower. The knower, when you light the incense stick, you got the knower. Because I tell you, just step up, just aim from the mind, not from your eye. Your eye look, your mind aim. Now can you, your mind aim, how you breathing in long. But I use the word notice how you're breathing in long, how you breathing in out long. Open eye first so that you're breathing long and deeper. When you close your eye, your head go down, breathing becomes short. You got stuck, okay? Because when you open eye, you not do anything. You don't need to do anything, only breathing in mindfully. Breathing out mindfully. And just know you are knowing God. How you know you got mindfulness in knowing or not? If you got mindfulness in knowing, you're not lost in thought. That's already got from the beginning. Breathing in, knowing mindfully, knowing clearly, mindfully. Then you got mindfulness and clear knowing or not. Okay? We not learn to focus the breath. We learn to clear our mind. Okay? Breathing out mindfully and clearly. You know clearly or not your mind. When your mind know clearly, no thought. And when your mind know clearly, mindfully, then it got more consciousness, wake up. Okay? Consciousness, more wake up, it become jhana vipassana inside meditation. We develop vipassana. Okay? Vipassana, seeing your mind, seeing your body and mind. Now your eyes seeing me when you breathe mindfully, breathing in mindfully. You got mindfulness, wake up, see how you breathing and how you breathing and the knowing together. Okay, you see three together, the body and the object of knowing and how you, I use the word, how you breathing, that is seeing the movement of breathing. How you sitting, that see how the body get four elements. Okay, seeing how. If you seeing how, you got knowledge. But now you get, I just explained to you. If you focus your breath, you got stillness of mind. But if you just seeing your breathing, you got vipassana. Okay? Normally you focus your breath, then you got stuck. Okay? But you just see how you breathing. See how you breathing, then you can see how you feeling. Can see how you sitting. See how you breathing in, then you can see how you sitting, how you breathing, how your mind got clear knowing or not. Then you fulfill the four pillars. See how you breathing in, then you can see body pillar, sensation, mind, and mind object or mental quality. Okay? Seeing how. Okay? Seeing the black, you got power of mind but no knowledge. Okay? Seeing breathing, you got more knowledge about how you sitting, how you feeling, sensation, how you thinking, how you attach. Okay? So Buddhist meditation, we see the four pillars: body, sensation, mind, and mind object. That means you must wake up, know the knower first. If you not know the knower, you cannot see all these four foundations. Okay? Know the knower, how? Start with breathing mindfully. Start with mindfulness first. Mindfulness become the knower. Mindfulness in the beginning maybe not good knower, it's still disturbed. Okay? Disturbed. It's still a bit thought. But develop awareness, relax. Okay? More relax, more awareness. More awareness, mindfulness become neutral. Okay? Become very good mindfulness. Now you got breathing in mindfully and relaxingly. Relaxingly, you got awareness and consciousness. So we go to the point to develop mindfulness and consciousness. Okay? We not only develop stillness of mind, but when you got mindfulness and consciousness, you got calmness of mind. Okay? Calmness of mind with mindfulness, with awareness, balance together. Okay? Balance together. So now only follow the Buddha teaching. Breathing in mindfully. How you know you breathing in mindfully? You got mindfulness, no breathing, know the knower. No breathing, know how you sitting, and no breathing, and know your mind. This is mindfully. Okay? Breathing in mindfully. You know, breathing in mindfully, you know the knower, calm and conscious. Then you get to more consciousness from the beginning already. Before you fall asleep for half an hour, maybe not conscious, or maybe after sleep you wake up consciously. Okay? But now you got consciousness, wake up from the beginning. Okay, now the Buddha tell us breathing in mindfully, then you can practice both opening eye and close your eye. Okay? Maybe start from opening eye first. When you get more consciousness, it's like you feel like you get the halo. Okay? Then you can close your eye. When you close your eye, then the halo got become eye, become consciousness eye. Okay? So to wake up consciousness, the halo, or we use the word higher consciousness, or wake up the knower. Okay? But you will feel like it bright and halo. Okay? So just easy. Today I will let you how to more consciousness and more brightness and more the halo. Follow my technique. First, breathing in mindfully, horizontally first. Because the halo, the consciousness not wake up, then when you breathing in vertically, you fall asleep. Okay? So my technique, just you can realize when you got fainted, you have somebody got fainted, you got mental, and now breathe mental now. Okay? When you fainted, and that means you lose consciousness, unconsciousness, and how to wake up consciousness, you breathe mental. Peppermint, lavender, or whatever. When you breathe mental, you breathe this way to make your mind more wake up consciousness. Okay? So now you're not fainted, but you got a lot of thought. So breathing horizontally as long. When you're breathing in long, in this way, it become more opening up here. Try breathing in long horizontally first. It become more consciousness and open up here. It more space here. Okay? So wake up your mind from thought first. After your mind wake up from thought, then we breathing naturally, vertically. Then it wake up your heart from desire, attachment. But first, wake up your mind from thought. Mindfulness of breathing horizontally, long, horizontally, long and long. Can you just okay, you just pretend to breathe mental. You breathe, go to your thought, then your thought disappear, then you get more consciousness. That's right. Next time I should bring mental. Maybe I got peppermint, breathing, wake up. Okay. Now breathing in long horizontally until you wake up. After you wake up, then it go naturally inside. Okay? And breathing more long horizontally. Then you got sinus, no problem. More you breathing in long horizontally, then you can feel good. Sinus maybe go away. Okay? Like you breathe the fresh air. Can to clean and clear your mind from thought. Then it become consciousness, brightness, and halo. So first you got this halo, but after you breathe naturally into your heart, more halo it come from your heart. Now you have got halo about this side, but my halo wake up from my heart. My halo mind from my mind, my halo from my mind and heart cohesion together. Okay? So I know how to wake up your mind with consciousness, high consciousness or halo. Just breathing horizontally first. Today, tomorrow, breathing horizontally. After that, breathing more consciously. So first, breathing in mindfully. Know your mind, see your mind, how your mind free from thought. First. More today, tomorrow, you see your mind no thought. You got good knower. When you got good knower, then breathe naturally into space, into your heart. Then you clean your heart from desire, anger, or delusion. Then you got halo from your heart, cohesion with halo from your mind. 2 steps, okay? Halo from your mind, you get calmness, meditation. Halo from your heart, cohesion with your mind together, big halo. You got vipassana jhana, got insight meditation, okay? Because halo from your mind, you can send your shoulder, send your bodily movement. Can you send from the halo? Body movement, body action, and your breathing, can you send? You can send the first pillar, bodily movement, and the second pillar, halo from your mind, you can send sensation of the body, sensation of your mind. You can, halo, here is mindfulness on the first pillar. Mindfulness on the first pillar, you can see bodily movement, bodily action, and your breathing. And mindfulness on the first pillar, you can see the second pillar, sensual pleasure. Okay, satisfaction, dissatisfaction. When you send from the halo, from the brightness of mind or consciousness mind, satisfaction arising, disappearing, satisfaction or dissatisfaction arising, disappearing. But you need to more wake up, because all satisfaction, it comes from mind inside, desire, and more mental phenomena inside, attachment. Then you need halo from your heart, wake up. Halo from your heart, wake up by develop loving kindness. Can you fulfill your heart with loving kindness? So that was, if you sometime you develop loving kindness meditation together, okay? Loving kindness will wake up your heart from desire and attachment, and then you got halo wake up, okay? So anyhow, just do together. If you just relax and smile, then it got more consciousness and halo. Because I cannot tell you develop loving kindness today to be fulfilled. You need a lot of dana, sila. You need a lot of volunteer job. But now you work for money. You work for money. It's not loving kindness. If you work for bodhisattva, you know bodhisattva? Bodhisattva way, helping people. Then you got halo from your heart wake up. Okay? So that's why it takes time. Halo from your heart maybe take 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years. But today, I just let you free from thought first. 6 days, only free from thought. But more consciousness, knowing rapidesa, anger become less and less. But it still got deep anger inside. That you need loving kindness. Okay, now we practice together. Open eye, open your eye, and open your mind. How to open your mind? Just sit mindfully. Sit mindfully. Your mind see this person into 4 elements more and more. When your mind open, wake up, your mind realize this person in 4 elements. So first sit mindfully and just realize this person into foreman until you're not attached to this is you or your is only foreman. You got aging and one day dead. Foreman return to the nature. Okay? Just accept this is foreman. That's why sit mindfully first. Learn to see with clarity into the foreman first. Who are you? You are foreman. You believe me? Just sit mindfully. When you accept this person foreman, you got good mindfulness. Okay? And more good mindfulness if you just breathe in mindfully horizontally first to help wake up your mind from thought. Your thought is in front, your clear mind turn inward, turn back. How to turn back? Feel your breathing to the stop inside. When you're breathing in, before breathing out, it got the turning point or not? It got the stop or not? That is the access, the door to get more consciousness. Okay? Or maybe just look up a bit, then the door get more open. Look up a bit and then breathing in horizontally to the stop point inside, the turning point inside, and relax, more relax. And it becomes seeing, awareness and see, breathing out. Breathing out, don't follow breathing out. Okay? Just see breathing out from the stop point inside. Okay? People don't know. Follow breathing in, follow breathing out, follow breathing in, follow breathing out, then you cannot get there. We follow breathing in, get there, and just see breathing out, just aware. Okay? Understand now? Good. Then, when you are breathing in, your mind go out, but when you follow breathing in, your mind come back to the knower. Okay? And stay at the knower, knowing breathing out. If you follow the breathing out again, the knower go out again. Okay? Breathing in to the knower. Breathing out, just aware and see. Breathing in, more knower. Breathing out, just see from the knower. Okay? Now, open eye. If you got concentration on the Buddha statue or on a monk, concentration and balance, mindfulness of breathing, balance with awareness of breathing is helpful. Okay? So that's why I tell you open eye first, but your eye just look at me or look at the Buddha statue, one object. But when you look at one object, this is object outside. Object outside, when you look, who see the object? Inside. Okay? Then look at me, but go to the knower. With breathing in, the one who see the Buddha statue and the one who see this person is the knower. Okay? Now become one with the knower. Then you see outside and inside. Outside is the Buddha statue, inside is yourself sitting and breathing. Can you stay with the knower? More you stay with the knower, in Zen Buddhism use the word Zen mind. You got Zen mind is here. Okay? And in the chanting room, in Zen tradition, in China, in Japan, they got Chinese word. Chanting and know the one who chanting. See the one who chanting. Now you chanting. You just read the book. Then the one who chanting, blah, 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 blah. You just chanting and don't need to read the chanting book. Then see your mind chanting and see the one who chant. See now follow me. How chanting and see the one who chanting. Follow me. Chanting with rhythm. Chanting mindfully with rhythm. If you chanting Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa, your mind lost. Okay? But if you chanting mindfully, Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa, you wake up. Stop in between Namo Tassa, stop, Arahato, stop, Stop your mind, no wake up. Now you non-stop. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa, a lot of thought, non-stop, okay? Now chanting one time, follow me. Namo Tassa Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa, clear word. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa, clear. Wake up or not? You chanting half an hour for sleepy. Better go to sleep, okay? You chanting mindfully. Mindfully, that means you got mindfulness. Mindfulness or the knower, see yourself. You see yourself or not when you chanting with rhythm. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava. Stop, then the knower wake up. Or in Tibetan, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, wake up, okay? Or Buddho Dhammo Sangho, Sangho Dhammo Buddho. No, the stop together in between Buddho Dhammo Sangho, Sangho Dhammo Buddho, wake up, okay? Can you see Buddho, Dhammo, Sangho? The rhythm. Buddho, Dhammo, Sangho. Can you see? When you chanting, you got your mind chanting from your mind, and it got chanting and pause, chanting and pause. Buddho, Dhammo, Sangho. Can you see the pause, the stop in between? Sangho, Dhammo, Buddho, Dhammo, Sangho, it more wake up. Okay? People don't know Buddho, Dhammo, Sangho, Sammo, Dhammo, Buddho for asleep. Okay? Or can you do Buddho chanting only? Buddho 2 words. Buddho, it got stop in between. Bud is short pronunciation. Do is long pronunciation. Can you see Buddho? Your mind see how you do chanting Buddho. More you see Bud and stop and do and stop and Buddho. Stop, Then the real Buddha wake up. Okay? From Buddha chanting, then when you see Buddha, the real Buddha wake up, the knower, the Buddha wake up, the Buddha nature wake up. So that's why the same thing. Can you see? Now you breathing in. I just let you breathing in horizontally first so that it's easy to see the stop point inside. Can you just feel your breathing to the stop and know the stop? Buddha wake up, the Buddha nature wake up. Okay? And from the Buddha wake up, Buddha nature wake up, you see breathing out from the Buddha nature. Okay? Breathing in, you see from the pure mind, conscious mind or the Buddha nature. Breathing out, See your mind, the conscious mind. How to see your conscious mind? See breathing to the stop. When you see the stop, conscious mind wake up. Okay? This technique will help you get into meditation in 5 seconds. Okay? Now, can you just mindfulness of breathing? See breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4. See the stop inside. Then you get calmness already. Okay? See breathing in, see your mind. Okay? So that's why I tell you awareness of breathing horizontally first. Then when you got more awareness of breathing, more inside it become pause or stop. Then your thought empty. And the moment your thought emptiness of thought, you got more the knower wake up. Now I stay with the knower. My knower very clever. Then I tell the other one, the knower is the safe man. It's the safe. No, the safe is the clever man. Okay? I got the safe. Have you got the safe? No, you got the stupid mind. I got the safe. The safe just exploring how you doing, how you feeling, how you feel good. I got the safe. Always exploring myself, my mental phenomena, and they say just let go. They said very clever, just explore and let go. Okay. So first, you wake up the knower. Otherwise, you will delay, get very long time in the practice. Somebody 5 years, 10 years, knower not wake up. Then maybe you die and come rebirth and come back practice again because the knower not wake up. Okay? But after the knower wake up, then the way to enlightenment, the Buddha used the word 7 days, 7 months, 7 years. If the knower not wake up, 7 lives, 700 lives. You understand what I mean now? The knower wake up, see yourself. I see myself. I can talk to you. I see my talk. I see whatever I'm doing, I'm breathing. I see my doing, my breathing. I got the knower. Then I fulfillment mindfulness. With fulfillment mindfulness, we call in Zen Buddhism, we call Satori. You know the word Satori? Satori. You got wake up already. Satori. Okay. They use Koan. Who are you? Then you wake up. I am knowing. My knowing wake up already. You wake up already. In Zen, they use the word Zen mind, Satori. In Japan, Satori. Okay? But Satori, that is starting on the way of enlightenment. You not Satori, you always deviated from the way. Go to jewelry shop, go to shopping, you deviated from the way. But when you got Satori, Zen mind, knower wake up, you go jewelry shop, oh, enough, plenty enough, you just walk out. Okay? Zen mind, now open your eye. Can you connect your eye to Zen mind? Your eye look, your mind see clearly what you look and see yourself. Can you see clearly master and see clearly yourself together? Zen mind or conscious mind or the knower can see together outside, inside, far and near. With the knower you can see master sitting far but see yourself sitting near. With the knower, you can see outside, inside. You sitting near, you can see bodily movement, bodily action, and you can see not only movement or not only breathing, you can see inside. Inside is your sensual pleasure. With the knower, you can see sensual pleasure. With the knower, you can see desire. With the knower, you can see thought. Thought is in front, the knower is behind. Okay? With the knower, you can see deep into your desire, you got attachment. Can you see See what you still attach. Your hand left, something you left for 10 years, but your heart not left. Can you see? Seeing from the knower. So that's why I just tell you, develop conscious mind, become knower, knowing yourself, seeing yourself. Otherwise, you take 7 lives, 700 lives, okay? But if you follow me, you got enlightened in 7 days, 7 months, 7 years. Okay? Not long, okay? Now, just 5 minutes practice by yourself, open eye. And breathing horizontally first. Relaxingly and horizontally first. And if you just lift your chin up or look up, then it flip your mind back to the knower. Now you do meditation from monkey mind in front. Can you just look up, your mind flip back to the knower. And then when you look up, okay, now you look up, back the knower, knowing how you sitting, how you breathing from here, from the knower. And the knower knowing and seeing together. Knowing and seeing, breathing and the knower together. More you see breathing and the knower, more you know breathing and the knower become more halo, wake up. That's all. Know the knower together. No breathing in, know the knower. No breathing out, know the knower. The knower by notice your breathing. Notice your breathing. Notice your bodily action. Notice your sitting posture. Notice is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the knower. And even your eye with me. Can you notice how you breathing in? Your eye still with me, but your mind notice. So now you know what difference. Normally, you close your eye, you do meditation from your eye. Your eye do meditation, it go to your thought. Okay? Then you flip your mind back. How to flip your mind back? Look up. Then it come back. And then when you look up, your mind flip back. The knower will know both breathing in and the knower itself. Now close your eye. Look up. Awareness up with the knower. Know the knower. Then you know everything. Know the knower, you know breathing and the knower together. Know the knower, you know sitting and the knower together. You know the knower, you know breathing in, breathing out, and know the knower together. More know the knower, you go to more conscious mind. More conscious mind, very bright and halo come up. Okay? No breathing, know the knower together. The knower is clear mind. When you know breathing, know the knower, clear mind, wake up. Then how to focus your breathing? Notice. Focus by mindfulness, notice. Not put concentration. You always master how to put concentration too much. Okay? How to put concentration. No, we not put concentration. We stay conscious. Stay awareness. Stay mindful. Stay at home. Knowing at the knowing at home. Can you? When you know at the knower, we call knowing at the knowing, you know everything. You know sitting, you know sensation, you know breathing. Knowing at the knowing, then knowing become equality of mind. More equality of mind, it know all the four pillars: body, sensation, mind, and mind object. Knowing and the knowing. How to know the knowing? You just know your breathing and breathing horizontally to bring your mind come out from thought first. Okay? Breathing in. No, breathing in horizontally first. And you know at the stop, breathing in got stop. At the stop, the knower wake up. Breathing out, just aware from the knower. Then you got calm and conscious. Calm and conscious. Calm and wisdom. Calm and knowing clearly. Calm and knowing clearly with letting go. Okay? No breathing, no the knower. No breathing, no the knower. Then the knower more wake up, more open up, and relax the whole body. Then the knower become more spacious. Look up, more look up. Then more your mind flip backwards. More look up. This is really good technique. Yoga meditation, when you practice yoga, you look up. Okay? You chin up. Then your mind flip back. Look up, smiling up. Smiling up from your heart. Then the knower become more consciousness, more halo, more brightness. Then the knower becomes sensing. More the knower wake up, you got sensing the whole body sensation. You got sensing mind activity. You got sensing thought arising, disappearing. Sensing. So conscious mind work by sensing. It just send and let go, sensing. Okay? Now you got very good sensor. Before no sensor at all. Now you got very good sensing. When you got breathing, it got sensing. You got movement, it's sensing. Sensing, knowing, and seeing. Sensing, knowing, and seeing without thought. Okay? And you got spirit with you all the time. With sensing, then you just trust in your God. Trust, I'm Buddhist, and trust in the Buddha. Then I can learn from the Buddha. Even Buddha passed away 2,500 years. I can learn direct from the Buddha, connect with the knower, and connect with trust in the Buddha. Now just follow the Buddha teaching from your knower with trust. Then the Buddha will bring you to more calmness, more beautiful calmness, more letting go, more brightness, more halo. Because when you trust in the Buddha, you connect to Buddha. Then all the Buddha teaching transmit to your mind. Then you feel something wake up. The Buddha nature wake up. This is knower wake up. When you trust and you connect and you stay calm, stay conscious and trust in the Buddha, then it got the Buddha nature wake up from your heart. Okay? Trust. You need to develop 5 power. Trust in the Buddha. Right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration, and wisdom. Before your concentration is wrong because you only got concentration, no mindfulness, no awareness, no right effort. But today I tell you, just awareness, mindfulness first. then your concentration become mindfulness concentration. Mindfulness concentration, concentration on breathing, but mindfulness concentration, no breathing, know the knower. No breathing in, know the knower. Before you only know the breathing in and out, you don't know the knower. Then you have wrong concentration. Okay? Because we not trained to breathing this way, focus breathing, your breath this way. We just train to know the present moment. You are breathing mindfully. We train our mind to know more mindfulness and consciously breathing in. Consciousness more you know, not only breathing, you know all mental phenomena arising and disappearing. And now, when you wake up with the knower, then you can close your eye. If the knower not wake up, not close your eye. Otherwise, you lost. Okay? I tell you how to wake up the knower in 2 minutes. Just breathe horizontally first. Wake up the knower from thought. Breathe mindfully horizontally. Then the knower, more consciousness, wake up from thought. And know the knower. When you know the knower know everything. No body, no breathing, no sensation, know the knower together. Okay? More know the knower. Then you can close your eye. Then you close your eye, you do meditation from the knower. But if the knower not wake up, you close your eye, you do meditation from thought. Okay? So wake up first with mindfully and consciously breathing in, mindfully and consciously. More the knower wake up, you feel more consciousness. And you feel more consciousness more and more. The knower become bright and halo. Okay? Now you got bright and halo. I use this word is the sake. The sake wake up. See yourself. Now open eye. Your eye see master. Your eye see people. You got the sake. See yourself or not? You are brushing your tooth. The knower, the sake see yourself or not? You are eating the sake see yourself or not? Now you need to develop more see yourself. All activity, eating, drinking, walking, seeing from the knower or the sake. Okay? Then the sake more seeing, it will see this body just 4 elements. Now you got blind, the sake got blind. You just see, this is me, this is I, this is mine, this is your. But when you got the sake, what you see is only 4 elements. It's arising, disappearing, it catching, aging, and then one day it go decay or pass away, okay? Or it disappear. The sake can realize the reality. You just come here, like you lend a hotel for 80 years. After 80 years or 100 years, then you must look for a new hotel next life. Okay? Then the sake not scaring of death. Because the sake know this is everybody is the nature. Everybody come aging, sickness and death, aging, sickness and death. The sake wake up, not scaring of death. The sake wake up, pain on the body, not pain into your mind. The sake wake up, suffering, sickness on the body, not sickness into your mind. Okay? So that's why we develop more mindfulness consciousness to free our mind from stress and suffering. Okay? Now the sake not wake up, you got a lot of thought and stressful. The sake not wake up, you got attachment. You only maybe pain a bit, but you too much painful in your mind. You only got a bit fever. You say, I'm very sick. Actually, you only just relax, then maybe the fever gone away, you got a little fever, oh, I need to see doctor. No, don't worry too much, stay with the sake. This is only pain or suffer to the body. If you with the sake, it not come to your mind, then your mind not sick. Then when your mind not sick, your mind got power of mind to heal your sickness, to heal the body, recovery well very soon. Okay, now with the sake, I'm traveling, you know. Before I traveling here Australia, I traveling to New Zealand. Before traveling to New Zealand, I traveling to India. Before I traveling to India, I traveling to European country. And during my traveling European country, I traveling to Brazil. After come back from European country, one day take a rest, and next day go to India. After coming back from India, take a rest one day, then go to New Zealand, and then New Zealand take a rest one day, come to Australia. I have no jet lag because I stay with the Nova. Okay. You got attached, oh, jet lag, then you got a lot of jet lag. It's your conceptual thought. If you okay, I'm okay, then you are okay. Okay, it's your mind not thinking, the Nova not thinking anything. Okay, then you feel good, you feel healthiness. Okay, we have a break. Practice by yourself, maybe 15 minutes, and then practice together because I have appointment 8:15. I go to Baltimore. Just relax for 10-15 minutes, and then practice with me 10-15 minutes. Then I walk to join the Sangha chanting. Okay, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.